Oh my god, look how cute this little lamb is. Mary-red little lamb. So cute. Aren't ya? So, with that said, let me show you today's video. Please remember to subscribe, rate and comment, hit the notification bell, guys. Stay updated with what's happening and enjoy today's video. Well, hopefully you'd enjoy it as much as I've enjoyed going around meeting all these animals. They're pretty cool. So, let's get on to today's video. Meh, indeed. Jacob sheep, I think, from the pattern and the horns. I think, I'm not 100% sure, I've not done farming for a long time, but they are pretty cool little sheep. They've just been cut as well. She's also been mounted as well, that's on the ram's chest. So she is going to be expecting babies anytime soon. And obviously these marks on the back here is from the ram. When they get on top, they have a paint mark on the chest, and that goes onto the female or onto the ewe, and that's how they know who's mated with who. So yeah, it's pretty cool. That's why that one's got purple and that one's got green. Interesting little facts in it. So let's carry on walking around the place to see what else there is here. Oh, you big cutie. Talking to us. Shame that you're going to be Sunday dinner or Christmas dinner. Never had to make that noise before. You want to make a gobbling sound? And also, as you see here, quite happily pet here. Quite cool little place. Get up close with a lot of animals. And he obviously lives with his chicken friends, which is pretty cool. So let's get on with the rest of it as well and see it open out. This is Bestie and Faith, born in spring 2018. Absolutely beautiful little goats, very chilled and tamed. All they want is probably food, to be honest, guys. But these are obviously not like the pygmy goats you've just seen. These are absolutely beautiful. Amazing little pattern down there. His pattern's amazing as well. It's got like spots like a gorgeous little Dalmatian. He's absolutely beautiful. And very relaxed and chilled. So let's show you some more of the animals around here. Pretty cool. So basically the feathers stop up to the chest bone, and they've got a beautiful red head and a gorgeous black body, absolutely weird looking. But again, everyone knows with this channel, the weirder the better. These are pretty funky little chickens for sure. Absolutely amazing.
We can all sing Happy Hatch Day to our baby chick here today. Lovely. Now I'm going to come all the way down the line. All I ask then, guys, is that we're only going to look with our eyes at this baby chick. We're not going to touch this one. Afterwards, we are going to get some much bigger ones out of the dome and some even bigger ones over there for you to say hello to. So then remember on his neck. Now we do have some older ones over there if you want to have a look later on today. Now we've also got a slightly bigger chick. Now our bigger chick will take a little sip on your knee just like this. If we do have any hats or hoods today, guys, we will even take a little sip on your head. Now we do ask for hats and hoods because we don't particularly want him to poop in your hair, do we? Please don't. What's going on? Fantastic. Right then, we're going to start at either end of the line, and when we meet in the middle, if you want to stay where you are, we'll go and get your yummy egg if you've got your egg tickets with you today then.
So guys, that was the place. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe, rate and comment. Hit that notification bell if you've not hit it yet. I hope you enjoy it. Saw some amazing animals. Really good day out for the kids. They enjoyed it as well. So with that said, I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye.